government. We are part of the, So I have a belief that this time the businesses are not going to collapse.
Okay. And Honorable, this last question, I promise you. Everyone wants to know. Everyone wants to know: are you going to eventually run for the presidency at some point? Because you make such a fine candidate, and we know for a fact, based on the numerous things that you've been doing, your track record, that you absolutely love our country.
Are you going to vote for me?
Absolutely. You have my vote.
Thank you very much. I have a personal belief. And my belief is that you don't need to be president to effect change in people's life. I'm not president, but you can see everybody wanted to shake hands with me because of the principles I hold, because of the things I'm doing to help Ghanaians. That alone is enough. But if a time comes that Ghanaians feel that, look, you can lead this country for us, make a difference, I give myself time. No, I don't want to rush and make mistakes. But, some people are consumed with power that they don't even see realities. I'm not like that. I just want to establish businesses left and right and create employment. I have more joy in that more than becoming a president here and there. But if there should be a change and you need that, look, this guy can do it, a day will come that I may consider, but at the moment, no.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, sir. I know I speak for a lot of Ghanaians when we say we appreciate you, we love you, and keep doing the good work.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Vashti.
Vashti. Yes.
That's a big name for me.
I know, you can just call me V.
V, yes. V. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. I know you're tired, but you've spent so much time. Thank you very much.